Meaning of depressant.
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 Depressant. The term depressant refers to a substance or drug that reduces or slows down the functioning of the central nervous system. The primary effect of depressants is to reduce feelings of anxiety and tension, resulting in relaxation and sedation. At low doses, depressants can cause drowsiness and calmness, while higher doses can lead to impairment of cognitive and motor skills, respiratory depression, coma, and even death. Examples of depressants include alcohol, opioids, benzodiazepines, and barbiturates. Recreational abuse of these substances can have serious health consequences and can lead to addiction and overdose.